So Z Modular is a steel modular facility based on the vector block system. So all the things here you're going to see are welded, made out of steel, made out of HSS, hollow tube sections. Here we have the welding station. So you see the chassis modules, the floor framing, the top chassis, and making the structural connections from the vector block to the hollow steel section. Over here you can see the jig, laying out all of the floor chassis materials, top chassis materials, all at a high level of precision. These modules stack with a 1/4-inch precision on top of each other vertically and horizontally. So everything has to be exactly right. Now that's where you'll see this beautiful equipment behind me, which is going to come on board shortly. Eventually, the entire chassis will be assembled and welded by robots. We have the cut facility over here. We will stack all the parts in the frames here, and the robots will pick it, place it, and weld it. Now, I've been told an entire chassis can be assembled and welded in sight through the robots in under 2 hours. That can be upwards of over 60 parts. This is the future of modular construction. You can see all over here, part of the vector blocks, the gusset plates, and these are the setting pins. So these pins align the modules as they are set. They also act for craning and alignment. So each module comes in and aligns itself and perfectly sets down. So right now, all the welding and all the fabrication is done by hand. Lots of jigs, lots of precision, lots of quality control sections. But, as you can see, they're starting to test fire and program the robots to do all of the welding. Also, we'll do all the placement, measurements, quality control. Once it's up and running, it's going to be a fantastic product coming out of this line.